Chapter 4. Animations and Transitions. In PowerPoint. PowerPoint is one of the most popular applications used to present ideas and discuss a topic with an audience. PowerPoint also provides some amazing tools and effects that can be used to present your ideas effectively. In this chapter, you are going to learn more about visual effects that can help you capture the audience's attention. Adding animation. One of the wonderful features of MS PowerPoint is that it provides a bunch of animation effects to be applied to your presentation. Animation plays an important role in making your presentation look attractive. To apply an animation to your presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the object to which you want to add an animation by clicking on it. If the object is textual, then click again on the border of the text box to select the entire text box. Step 2. Click on the Animation tab. Step 3. From the Animation group, click on the More button to reveal all the animation options that are available. You will notice that there are 3 categories of animations, which are entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. Step 4. Select any of the animation type that you like. It will be applied to your presentation. Once you have applied all the animation effects to your presentation, you can define how the animation effects appear on the slideshow. You can do this from the timing group. In this group, you can see that there are a few options. Let us understand these one by one. Start. This option allows you to control how the animation starts. This option has a drop-down menu with 3 options: on click, with previous, and after previous. Duration. This option allows you to control how long the animation will run from start to finish. Delay. This option allows you to add a delay between the animations. Reorder animation. This option allows you to change the order of appearance of the animation. Slide transitions. The literal meaning of transition is the process of changing from one state to another. Similarly, slide transition refers to how the presentation moves from the one slide to another. To add transition effects to the presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the slide to which you want to apply the transition effect. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab. Step 3. From the Transition to this slide group, click on the More button to reveal all the transition effect that you can apply. You will notice that the transitions are divided into 3 categories: subtle, exciting, and dynamic content. Step 4. Click on any of the transition effect to apply that to your slide. MS PowerPoint allows you control the transition of the slide. This can be done through the timing group in the Transition tab. Let us understand how this is done. The timing group has a few options. Let us take a look at these functions one by one. Sound. This is a drop-down menu that contains a lot of sound options that you can apply to your presentation. Duration. This option specifies the length of the duration of the transition. You can change the values in this section to control the timing of the transition. Apply to all. This section allows you to apply the transition effect to your entire presentation. On mouse click, this option allows you to start the transition when you click the mouse. After This section allows you to set the time after which the presentation moves to the next slide. Inserting media. While delivering a presentation, it is a good practice to add images. But you can make it even better by adding video clips to your presentation. These help you to explain a topic with reference, which could be extremely beneficial to make the audience understand your thoughts. Adding video clip to a presentation. To add a video clip to your presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. From the Media group, click on the Video drop-down menu. Step 3. From this drop-down menu, click on the Video on my PC option. The Insert Video dialog box appears. Step 4. Navigate to the locations of the video files and select the video clip you want to enter in the presentation and click on the Insert button. The video clip will be inserted in the presentation. Step 5. Once the video is entered in the presentation, click on the play button to play the video. Adding a sound clip to a presentation. Like adding a video to your presentation, you can add audio clips to your presentation. To add audio clip to your presentation, follows these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. From the Media group, click on the Audio drop-down button. Step 3. Click on Audio on my PC to add an audio file from your computer. This will open the Insert Audio dialog box. Step 4. Navigate to the location of the audio files and select the clip. Step 5. Click on the Insert button to add the audio file to the presentation. Adding Action button. Action buttons are like switches that help you perform some specific actions. Using action buttons, you can perform a variety of actions such as play or pause an audio or a video, move to the next or previous slide, etc. To add action button to a presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. From the Illustration group, click on the Shapes command. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the list to find the Action button section of the drop-down menu. Step 4. Click on any of the Action button according to your requirement. The mouse pointer will change to a plus symbol. Step 5. Now click on the slide and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to set the size of the Action button. Now, as soon as you release the mouse button, an Action Settings dialog box will appear. It has two tabs, Mouse. Click and mouse over. Step 6. In this dialog box, you can get a few options to perform different actions such as set a hyperlink, run a program, run a macro, and an object action. You also get an option to play a sound when the button is clicked or mouse is hovered over it. Select the option according to your requirement. Importing data from other applications. MS PowerPoint is a versatile tool that can be used to present your idea to an audience. It allows you to import files from different platforms such as MS Word, MS Excel, or some other applications. To import data from other applications to PowerPoint, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the Object command from the text group. The Insert Object dialog box appears. Step 3. If you want to create a new file, then click on the Create New option, and if you want to import a file, click on the Create from File option. Step 4. Click on the Browse button. The Browse dialog box appears. Step 5. Navigate to the location of the file you want to import. Step 6. Select the file you want to import and click on the Open button. The address of the file will now be visible in the File text box. If you want to display an open file, you can click on OK button. Otherwise, you can click on the Display as Icon radio button. This will display the file as an icon on your presentation. In summary, PowerPoint allows you to add media clip to your presentation. Transition refers to the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to next during a presentation. Animation effects are special effects that enhance the look and feel of your presentation. Action buttons are used to